What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have a 2021 Toyota Corolla. What seems to be the customer's complaint today? Customer states that the doors are holding in water. Now, this is a common problem with the Toyota Corollas. I was trying to shake the door to see if you guys can see the water coming out right at the bottom there. This is a common problem on these model year because of one, flawed design that Toyota designed them with. You see those little plugs at the bottom of the door? Toyota actually came out with a TSB for this exact concern. There's 1, 2, 3 little plugs. Those plugs get clogged over time, so you want to get like a little needle nose plier to pop them out. And you can see all the water draining out of the door. Look at all that water that was in that door. Now, I underestimated how much water was actually in there. That's why you see so much spilling on the floor. So now I'm going to have to try to find a way to clean all that mess up. Is Toyota going to pay me to mop the floor? No. Do I get any extra time? No. So I actually should have put a bucket underneath this, but look at all that water that door is holding, guys. Now in that TSB, Toyota just wants you to remove one of those clips, one of those little, drain port, little stoppers. They put all 3 there to, kind of make the door fancy, but it created a problem in itself. Over time, there's like dirt buildup, that kind of clogs the drain, so the water doesn't have enough passage, to drain sufficiently, so water gets backed up in there. So you just want to get in there with some shop air, kind of get all the extra gunk out. Now this is a lot of, a common problem. I see these coming in the shop a lot. A lot of customers are complaining about this. Now Toyota is covering this repair 3 years, 36,000 miles. But even if you're out of the warranty, you don't have to worry about it being a big headache because they're pretty easy to fix. Just remove these little plugs that I'm showing you. Now this the rear door we're doing. You don't need to remove all of them completely. So for the rear doors, we're just going to remove just the rear plug. I'm just removing all of them right now just so I can get shop air in there to get them clean really good. Now, if you don't have any shop air, you don't have any access to compressed air, you can maybe use a wire hanger to kind of get in there just to kind of get the dirt buildup and that, that muddy substance out, just to kind of keep the passages nice and clean. Then I'm going to reinstall the 2 little caps. And then I'm going to make my way towards the front door, the driver's front door. Now for the front door, you're only going to remove the front plug. So for the back door, because each door is going to have 3, right? So for the front door, you want to remove the front plug and reuse the 2 back ones. For the back door, you want to remove the furthest plug and reuse the 2 front ones. So if we're doing the front door, we're going to remove just the front. And the 2 side ones, we're going to reinstall and going to reuse them. But just for the front plug, we're going to discard that. I remove all of them anyway, just so I can clean their ports. I don't want to just clean one and then leave the other 2 unclean. So I remove all of them. But in reality, you only need to throw one of those plugs away. Don't throw all 3 away, just one. Get some shop air in there, make it nice and clean. And then reinstall the 2. And keep one off. Like I said, I've seen so many of these Corollas coming in. If you live somewhere where it's prone to, heavy rain, you're definitely going to have this issue if you didn't already remove those plugs. Now, how does this happen, you might ask? Well, it's pretty simple. All cars, it's not just a Toyota thing. So every door, every car, water, when it rains, water gets inside the door. You can't stop it. These seals are not, waterproof. So water eventually gets in the door and it's supposed to drain out. But those plugs you see there, they get clogged over time and the water is not able to drain. So that's how you get that buildup of water in there. So it's not a Toyota issue. Every car manufacturer, water gets inside that seal. Water gets inside your door, guys. Every car. So, but the problem is your car is able to drain it. So we'll try to get a little fancy, try to put some plugs. Well, over time, those plugs get dirty, and then you get water in your door. Now, we only seen this only on the Toyota Corolla models, so the other models not experiencing these concerns, but 2019 through 2021 Corolla hatchback, and I believe the 2020 and 2021 Corolla are experiencing this concern. That's it, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.